Good afternoon, 6th grade. Sorry I couldn't be with you today, so I made this screencast-o-matic recording to hopefully help you out for Tuesday, November 3rd. So what you need to do is go to the daily checklist. All right, find this week, Tuesday, November 3rd, and this is the explanation of what you're doing. So from roughly 104 to 145, you should choose one of the following links. These links will take you to articles that are talking about basically what school is like, what other schools are doing, how are people navigating COVID and still learning in the school setting, plus remotely, how are people juggling that. So those articles are there. You choose one. It says read these articles. Well, I should say article, read this article. You just choose one. And takes notes for yourself, you believe interesting, exciting, or frankly, maybe you think it's a waste of time or school shouldn't be doing. And then on the daily attendance activity, post these thoughts about your articles in roughly 3 to 5 sentences. If you really read and think, that should take you a good 20-30 minutes to do. Once complete with that, I did not put this on the list because I forgot, but you could finish your stop motion, right? Or choose to do typing.com, code.org. Scratch is also another coding website some of you might know about, or complete any makeup work for another class potentially. You should be using that time wisely. Again, I don't have stop motion on there, but you can certainly work on that if you have time. So up here, you read an article, you take some notes on it, you post it to the daily activity. Once complete, you can stop motion or you can choose from the following here. Just to show you that it's there, if I go back to the activity for today, Tuesday, it says post your thought on school COVID teaching, technology, policies, and so on from the article that you read. Hopefully this helps. Sorry I couldn't be with you today. I had something come up. Good luck the rest of the year because this will be the last day that I would have seen you. I'll see you in the hallways. You guys were a joy to have in class. I appreciate everything you did.